Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Hi, it's Lisa and Emma, and today we're going to a lecture to learn about the telescope.
We're at College of DuPage, Community College here in Wheaton. Actually, it's in Glen Ellen, DuPage County. And we are learning the first 400 years of the telescope, when it was invented. And we're going to go see Professor Joe Del Santo discuss it.
Yep.
So we get to learn a lot. We have telescopes. We get to learn about them and when who invented it and how it helped us see into space and
see the sky.
See the night sky.
So yeah, we can't film like a lot in there, but we're just gonna film like a little bit, just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Okay. All right, let's go. Ready?
Okay, let's go. Okay. So we're in the college, going up some stairs right now, and yeah. Yeah, we're supposed to be in room 2000, and the lecture starts, it's like 7:09 right now. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 7:09. So that means we have 21 minutes, because it starts at 7:30. So we have 21 minutes to try and make it, and then we can meet up with my grandma, and yeah.
Well, thank you very much. It's great to be back with you all again here tonight for our discussion. Astronomy has been described as the oldest science, stretching back millennia. Ancient cultures looked at the sky, we look at it today. And so there is a rich history of discoveries. I can't possibly cover them all tonight. Astronomers were primarily interested in the solar system. Why? Well, their telescopes were relatively small, and that was where they focused their attention.
In fact, you can share with us about the universe. The most astounding fact is the knowledge that the atoms that comprise life on Earth, the atoms that make up the human body, are traceable to the crucibles that cooked light elements into heavy elements in their core under extreme temperatures and pressures. These stars, the high mass ones among them, went unstable in their later years. They collapsed and then exploded, scattering their enriched guts across the galaxy. Guts made of carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and all the fundamental ingredients of life itself. These ingredients become part of gas clouds that condense, collapse, form the next generation of solar systems, stars with orbiting planets. And those planets now have the ingredients for life itself. So that when I look up at the night sky, and I know that, yes, we are part of this universe, we are in this universe, but perhaps more important than both of those facts is that the universe is in us. When I reflect on that fact, I look up. Many people feel small because they're small and the universe is big, but I feel big because my atoms came from those stars. There's a level of connectivity. That's really what you want in life. You want to feel connected. You want to feel relevant. You want to feel like you're a participant in the goings-on of activities and events around you. That's precisely what we are, just by being alive.
Hi guys, so we just got back from the lecture and it was really fun, and we got to learn about the telescopes and like Galileo and nebulas, and yeah, I just farted.
Dude.
Roll down the window.
Okay, anyway.
Anyways, So I got to ask Professor Joe Del Santo a question, and we will insert the footage right here. Can we tell the age of a star from the nebula?
So that's a good question. The age of a star. Try to keep this short. It's a big question. I alluded to the fact that we had to measure the properties of the star. So first, what's their temperature? What's their mass? All those things. What's their size? And when we did that, then we could, again, kind of create, so to speak, a model of that star, and then we could use the laws of physics that we know to see how long it lasts. So this work was done in the 1920s. A lot of this work on what's called stellar theory was done in the 1920s, and yes, we could figure out if a star is this big and massive, it lasts this long. If it's this big and massive, it lasts that long. Frankly, this is the same work in atomic physics that led to nuclear power, atomic weapons, those things. So you know it worked. That's how we know essentially the age of a star. When we look at a star today, we can't tell you exactly how old it is, but we can give you a pretty good estimate based on that theory. Okay, so thanks for your question.
Yeah, that was really cool. So if you're ever in the Chicago area, check out Professor Joe Del Santo at College of DuPage. It was really awesome. We learned a lot. We even learned that Galileo, he didn't invent the telescope, but he really improved it. It was really awesome. And we learned about Edwin Hubble, and that's who the Hubble telescope is named after. It was kind of cool. So yeah, like we said, just if you're ever in the area, especially in Wheaton, that's where College of DuPage is. And the lectures are free, and yeah, they're a lot of fun, and and you'll learn a lot.
Yeah, and Professor Joe Del Santo also has a YouTube channel, so we will be linking that in the description below. So right now or after this video, when you're done watching, you can click on that link, and then you can just watch some of his videos.
And don't forget to like or subscribe our video.
Yeah. So that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Bye!